Hey, how's everyone doing today? So in today's video, I want to bring you guys a nice cargo system that's going to make it easier to keep your cargo area organized and also make it look a little bit more stylish with this product. If you guys are like me, you guys carry a few things around with you, it's a nice way to keep things organized. So if you guys remember, a few years back, I got a last fit organizer for the Accord. I transferred it over to this vehicle. Does a great job. It does. Doesn't take up much room. Holds everything in place. Has this little part to keep things cold if you want. Still have the plastic on the handles, and it collapses too. Have my battery charger here in case I have any more issues. Does a good job. It does, but want to try something different. It's a little bit more enclosed. So I just picked up this item from 3D Mats, which I love. If you guys haven't heard of them, check the link in the description. They're a great company. They make great floor mats and cargo accessories. They actually have a lot of different products. This is the one I was excited about. If you look at it, it has a lid on it, which is nice. So it can be fully enclosed. Holds all your gear, whatever, if you have basketballs, whatever you want to haul with it. Doesn't go flying around. It's foldable, so when not in use, it folds flat. And what's pretty neat about it too, it's a carbon fiber finish. Looks really sharp. Let me go ahead and open it up and I'll show you guys what it actually looks like. So check this out. Like I said, it has that cool texture on it, which I like a lot. And it has their nice metal emblem there. Nice little touch. Great quality, like all their products, guys. Has a nice finish inside. Like I said, it folds flat when you aren't using it, but I'll go ahead and put it up and I'll show you what it looks like assembled. So here it is. Like I said, it's nice. It has zippers all the way around, has grab handles, so you can just take it out of the car, take it on the beach, whatever you guys want to do. I like it a lot. Now, of course, this thing is empty, so it's gonna seem flimsy like that until you actually put stuff in it. But I like it because it has a zipper that goes around the whole side, so you could zip it so the top stays open if you want, and close it down. It is waterproof, which is nice. And then you have plenty of space inside of it. I thought it's a nice design too. I like it. It's not huge, so you can leave this in your trunk the whole time. It's not going to take up a lot of room, especially in these trunks. But I like it. So I'll just flip the top open here just to show you guys, but has this nice net inside. So if you want to hold like car care products, towels, whatever you guys want to do. It's a really nice piece. Like I said, I love their products. I do. I will only run their floor mats on my vehicles from now on. Like I said, check the link in the description. Use my code HondaJohn3D10 and it'll save you $10 off your order. That'll help you guys out. If you order over $99, it's free shipping. Like I said, I have nothing bad to say about these items. I was excited as they make more and more products for our cars, for the Acuras here. It's great. But then you can see the size of it. Has still plenty of room. So it's not this huge thing. And like I said, it'll collapse flat if you need it to. If you push it all the way back like that, look at you still have tons of room in here, which is always nice. So you're not taking up too much. But what I like is it's enclosed. So if you put stuff in here and you do some spirited driving, it's got to be contained, where the other one I was using, it's open. If you load it up pretty full, things can fly out the top there. So I do like that. Again, if you're looking for a nice system, check the link in the description. Check them out. They have a ton of products. Like I said, they have floor mats, they have cargo liners, they have cargo systems like this. They have roof rack systems. If you guys go and travel a lot, you can put your bags up there. They have little tonneau covers, all kinds of stuff that they have. So definitely check them out. Use my code, save you guys yourself some money. I appreciate it. Hope everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe. And if you haven't, please subscribe to the channel. I'll have videos coming up weekly. I always appreciate that and hearing your guys' comments. Hope everyone has a great day today. Catch you on the next one.